What's up? So yesterday I reviewed this thing, the Nightmare freaking Monarch clone. Today I have something very different, but both share something in common. And the thing in common is not the fact that both of them are clones. As far as I'm aware, this is a all original, brand new balisong. So let's get into it. New location. Welcome to inside the house. It's a little dirty. Don't mind. Check this out. Oof. I don't even know what that says, right? I fucking do. It says Thomas. So I did cheat. I did put this back in the case. I did flip it a little bit. But that's what it is, folks. The Thomas Balisong, Thomas designed balisong, or Thomas Balisong, Aragon. I think of Aragon, I think of that dragon movie or whatever the fuck it was, like way back. It has handle material, titanium. Whoa, titanium. Practice blade material. Live blade material. What? Live blade. Yup, this is another Amazon balisong that has a live and a trainer blade. Oh my goodness. How did they get away with it? So, jeez. Come on. Come on. Oh. I don't like trainers. I don't like trainers. But, it looks nice. It's like a pry bar tip with a bottle opener. Look at the bite handle indicator. It's like actual serrations, dude. Like, it's real serrations. Yes, it does hurt. And it's titanium. I'll just come out and say it. Amazon balisong. It wasn't cheap. It was $350. And this is the first time I have tried anything from Thomas Balisong. But my goodness, this thing actually slaps. This is a very interesting knife, though. T6 titanium with a beautiful anodization. It has to be laser etched or something. I don't understand because both the patterns on the handles are the same. The handles on both sides of both handles are the exact same. Same with the bottom. Just about. Beautiful. It is grippy. The handles are grippy in every space that you want it to be. It has a beautiful amount of textures where you can grip your fingers on. The sound is gorgeous. The bottoms are rounded enough so it doesn't hurt your hand when you're fanning. It is grippy. It is frickin' grippy. Weird thought with the trainer blade, it feels like a titanium Atropos, and it flips just like one, but better, but much better, like much better. Listen to that sound, dude. Oh my god, you could do anything you want on this knife. But you know me. Trainer blades are one thing. Let's see how it does with a live blade. You know what I'm saying? Important to note before I get to the live blade, this is pinsless. So expect to see a handle gap deteriorate. I don't know how long it's going to take for this handle gap to become handle slap. But for now, it's pretty damn good. For now, it's really good. I'm just in awe that this thing was sold on Amazon, dude. T10 hardware. I'll show you real quick before I switch this with the live blade. Live blade, check. Very scary sharp live blade. Very pointy. Almost looks like a replicant. The dude who used to regrind replicants. Not... What's his name? Not Rotten. Or anybody like that. It was a guy that did like... what's it called? Like Star Wars, Mandalorian, Mando regrinds, or whatever the fuck. Also important to note, slightly rounded spine. It's more of like a rounded chamfer. It's like flat enough and also round enough at the same time. So far, this thing is really nice. The only complaint I have is I do like the text, the flavor text. Number 122. I believe this is out of the second batch. I believe the first batch only went to 100 of each style of knife. This is 122. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's also really cool to have something numbered. I'm a sucker for that shit. Ooh, that was weird. But dude, it backhand fans everything. But basically, from what you saw, the live blade doesn't have any marking or anything, which is okay. But I would very much like if it had the numbered on there. But getting a live blade off Amazon that's titanium is completely different. Also, comes with 2 T10 bits and a ton of hardware. I think it comes with 4 extra bushings. Yep, 4 extra bushings. And just a ton of hardware overall, including a ton of washers. So very nice. Let me get this live blade on it real quick, and I'll get right back with you, because this shit is very cash money so far. Gotta see how that live blade holds up, though. Just give me like 2 seconds. All right, we're back. So, I got the live blade on her. There's totally a weight distribution difference. Not in a bad way. You could just totally tell. Still chokers beautifully. Still backhand fans beautifully. And it's razor sharp. I did also no tap. That's just handle lift. Same sound, same exact sound. It's very important to notice or to note that I did have to use the hardware that it came with immediately. Not because anything's stripped out, but these are the original bushings that came in the trainer blade, and they did not sit properly in the live blade. So, sorry, I was kind of frantic there. I didn't know what I was doing. So the live blade, if you're going to switch over from the trainer blade bushings, more than likely you're going to have to use the bushings that are provided with the knife. That's what I'm trying to get at. Dude. It still fucks. Like, really hard. I think this is the best balisong on Amazon. No holds barred, point blank period. For sure it's the only titanium one on Amazon. But like, let me do my technical shit, my fucking loopy technical shit. Dude, it's good. This shit's really good. Has total freedom of swing. Sound check. It's really good. It's really, really good. I'm trying to get better at looping the choker into the backhand fan. And dude, this thing just does exactly what you want it to do with the live blade more than the trainer blade. And that's weird. Because the trainer blade had more mass and it was like more of a Tropos like blade bias type of feel. But whoa, this is kind of crazy. This is like really kind of crazy. This is it feels completely different. It feels like a completely different balisong. And not in the bad way that I was expecting. I was going to, if this was shit, I was going to sell it tonight. This is very not shit. This is very not shit. This is very, very, very good. Dude, this is honestly, depending on how well the pinsless system holds up, this is a close contender for a stock replicant. Like, although I could have bought a stock rep off like secondhand marketplace for this price. But for a cheap channel titanium knife that rings like that, it's not Max Ace Petrol. Wow. Dude, it does what you want it to do. It really does what it wants. Oh my god. There's no bind. Somebody blade biased had handle bind. This thing has no bind. And the profile's fucking wicked. I just wish it was numbered. Dude. Thomas balisong. Oh, dude. Fucking blew me out of the water. Good job. Do I recommend this? Absolutely I recommend this. Goddamn. This is really fucking good. This is like above and beyond all my expectations. I love this knife. Thomas, this shit's gas, bro. If you're gonna make more knives, think of me, because I will gladly review your shit. I'll give you a fair and biased review, dude. Because this shit's gas. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys.